The fourth iteration of the collaboration between Raymond Weil and the Beatles has arrived. The world's most famous rock band is celebrated again in a worldwide limited edition of just 3,000 pieces. This time, Raymond Weil celebrate the iconic album Let It Be. Presented in Raymond Weil's impressive limited edition box, the watch will sit proudly in the case that commemorates the Let It Be album. Also in the case is the paperwork and 3-year international warranty, and with the purchase of this watch from us, we will gift you the remastered Let It Be vinyl. Raymond Weil have continued to utilise their classic contemporary design, the Maestro watch. The Maestro has been used in 3 previous Beatles limited editions, with each having its own distinctive look. As such, this collection is a fantastic collector's commodity for any Beatles fans. The first time the Maestro features a skeleton movement to be the focal point of this handsome timepiece. The anthracite dial with rose gold index markers is a classic look, but the aperture in the dial is certainly impressive and cleverly thought out by Raymond Weil, as this has been produced in a shape to resemble the United Kingdom. A 40mm stainless steel case means this watch is very wearable for many wrist sizes. Simply polished, the case is just subtle to allow the key Beatles features to sync. Details to pay homage to the Beatles are the 4-hour marker, which stands out more to represent the members of the band, and the Beatles logo sits at the 9-hour marker, smartly adjacent to Liverpool on the silhouette of the UK. The back of the watch features the smoky coloured glass with the Beatles logo that we have become accustomed to with the release of this limited edition collection. Fitted to a brown leather strap with a folding buckle, this watch looks classic enough to complement the style you would associate with a timepiece like this. For more information on the Raymond Weil Let It Be watch, check out the link in the description below, and remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more unboxing videos in the future. Thank you very much for watching.